In this video, I will show you how to make a Discord account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and head over to discord.com. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the login button, and on the login screen, if you look underneath the blue login button, you're going to see a link to register. So what you want to do is give that a click. From here, enter an email. And once you've done that, choose a display name. Then what you need to do is pick a username. Discord is generally going to give you a suggestion, but of course you can choose your own username as well. And you just want to make sure that the username is available. Once that's done, choose a password and enter your date of birth. And then what you need to do is read and agree to Discord's terms of service and privacy policy. After doing this, tick the box. And if you want to, you can also tick this box, which means they're going to send you emails with Discord updates, tips, and special offers. You have got the option to opt out at any time, and this is completely optional. So for now, I'm going to leave that option unticked. After completing the verification check, it's going to take you to the Discord screen like this. From here, it's going to normally give you a pop-up window to create your first Discord server. You can do this now, or if you don't want to, you can come up and click the cross at the top right-hand corner. And as you can see, your account is now created, good to go. So that is how to make a Discord account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.